In this video, we're going to learn how to restore missing panels individually, which means reopening a specific panel if it accidentally gets closed or disappears. This is useful when only one panel is missing and you don't want to reset your entire workspace. Let's start. If a panel like the timeline, program monitor, project, or effects is missing, go to the top menu and click on Window. Inside the window menu, you will see a list of all available panels. Now, simply click the name of the panel you want to bring back. For example, click Timeline to restore the timeline. Click Program Monitor to bring back the preview screen. Click Project to restore your media panel. Click Effects to bring back effects and transitions. As soon as you click it, the panel will reappear in the workspace. Now you can then drag the panel and dock it wherever you want in the layout. This method restores only the selected panel and does not affect your timeline, edits, or other panels. If multiple panels are missing or the layout feels completely broken, you can still reset the workspace. But for small issues, restoring panels individually is the fastest solution, and that's it. You now know how to restore missing panels individually in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.